It isn't just a building that makes a good hotel. It isn't fancy chrome trimmings in the bathroom. It's sincerity, hospitality, a glowing, living thing that people feel the minute they cross the threshold.
My name is Rohan. I'm the Director of Operations for Hilton London Hyde Park and managing the hotel. And the hotel has got its own character of boutique Edwardian charm, which makes it more unique and connected to the history we have here in England.
The hotel is a very impressive part of Bayswater Road and the views from the park. And you have this very grand building made of red brick and terracotta with domes, bay windows, the tube station on the corner. Queen Anne architecture was in contrast to the Victorians because it was to get more light into buildings. So in the hotel we can see beautiful stained glass windows at the back of the hotel and roof lights as well, giving light into some of the public areas.
It's a home away from home. It's a family next to our real family. It's such a friendly spirit here that it makes us come back. We are both pampered here. Everything is done for us. And everything is done with such an easiness, with such a smile. For instance, the technician here, Glenn, we know from 20 years or so. Because of the spirit here, of the, let's say, the family spirit, the friendliness, we know everyone.
I'm Glenn, shift engineer at the Hilton London Hyde Park. I first started my journey in housekeeping and Hilton gave me the opportunity to develop my career. I used to be a painter, however, the hotel gave me a chance to move to the maintenance team. The part of the job I love the most is making our guests feel at home. I even leave handwritten notes and chocolates in the shape of tools when I've taken care of something for our guests. It's those little extra touches that can make a difference in our guest stay. I'm only a small part of a bigger team of amazing people that strive to make our guests feel at home. You know what? When I retire, I will miss this amazing workplace and all the guests that I can now call my friends.
When you are here, you see the famous Hyde Park and the famous Kensington Gardens. And you know once Lady Di lived there and you feel important. London is huge and there are hotels everywhere, but the location here is the perfect location. It's a building with a character, with something special. There's a choice in London, but there is only one Hilton Hyde Park hotel with that special feeling.